करता आमचे स्पेक्टेटर आणि सगळे प्लेयर्सांनी मातशे पेंडला फुडें येवपाचे फॉर प्रायज डिस्ट्रिब्युशन. थँक्यू. तुषार, ओवर टू यू.
Once again, it gives me immense pleasure to welcome all our guests, all our dignitaries on the dais. Sahi Sopte, son of our Honorable MLA, Sadhyanand Sopte, Chairman GTDC, Vinod Naik, social worker, Harish Nirlikar, Machindra Pednekar, Rajesh Mahale, and our own Sanju, who is very busy with the organizers at the moment. I would like to request Sai to say a few words and address the public as well.
Hello. Uh, okay. Thank you, Tushar. Good evening, सगळ्यांक. रापोज बॉयज हांच्यांनी ऑर्गनायज केल्ल्या ह्या टोर्नामेंटाक तुमचे सगळ्यांचे स्वागत आणि आभार मानता. तशेंच व्यासपीठाचेर रापोज बॉयजचे मेन हेड अशे राजेश मांद्रेकर, हरीश नेर्लीकर, आमचे पेडणेकर, मागीर विजय नागवेकर, संजय नागवेकरूय आसा आमचो सकयल, समीर जोशी, सगळ्यांक थँक्यू म्हणटा. एक बरी मॅच जाली हांगा. आय फील लकी दॅट फूल मॅच पळोवपाक मेळ्ळी म्हाका हांगासर. आनी आमचे जे 2 फायनलिस्ट आसले, आरवी कोरगांव लेड बाय अनिकेत देसाय, मागीर मॅडी सुद्दां खूब बरो खेळ्ळो लास्टाक. हार्ड लक फॉर देम. एक सिक्सर जाय आशिल्ली. या आनी आमचे विनर्स बोडगेश्वर क्रिकेटर्स, तांचे सुद्दां खूब बरे प्लेयर्स आशिल्ले. आमचे सनम इज लायक द रिवर्स शॉट किंग यू कॅन से. आनी इवन तांचो मलिंगा महेश, सो तांच्यांनी खूब बरी बॉलिंगूय केली. खूब एंटरटेनिंग जाली मॅच, स्पेशली द फायनल मॅच. आनी आमचे इवन कमेंटेटर्स तांच्यांनी खूब मजा हाडली. शुभम, तुषार नायक, इवन आमचे गोवा स्पोर्ट्स कल्चर, तांकांय बी थँक्यू म्हणटा. ऑलमोस्ट 250 जाणांनी पळयली मॅच. खूब बरें ऑर्गनायजेशन केलें रापोज बॉयजांनी. आनी वी फील लकी. फ्रॉम माय फादर्स बिहाफ, मिस्टर दयानंद सोपटे, I extend my gratitude to all of them, to the organizers and to everyone. We feel lucky that we got to be sponsors for this such a great tournament. Thank you so much.
It gives me immense pleasure to extend my gratitude to our sponsors, Shri Dayanand Sopte, sponsoring us with the prize money of rupees 1 lakh, Shri Vinod Naik, rupees 18,000, Inner Living, rupees 15,000, Somnath Mandrekar, rupees 5,000, Machindranath Pednekar, rupees 5,000, Poppy Osaiba, rupees 5,000, Pritesh Chatim, rupees 4,000, Santosh Burde, rupees 2,000, Hari Mahale, rupees 5,000. Then we had Harish Nirlikar, rupees 5,000, Rajesh Mamal, rupees 5,000. Not to forget Ramdas Kalshaukar, his contribution also for providing us with the electricity. That is why our voice and this photosonic production could do the coverage. Farmers, special thanks to them because they provided us with the land. Otherwise, this tournament would have not been possible at all. And not to forget the efforts put in by Khemaji Pednekar, our pitch curator, for creating such a wonderful pitch, for which the finals was like a true final, which went till the last ball of the final over. Moving on to the prize distribution. Firstly, I would like to call upon our peace curator Khemaji Pednekar for his outstanding contribution in creating wonderful peace which had a never dying spirit. Requesting Samir Joshi to do the honors. मागच्या सगळ्यांनी परत एकदा हात जोडून जोरान ताळयो मारच्यो कित्याक जरी पीच अशी जाय नासली जाल्यार फायनल
कवर घेवा. वेल डन, वेल डन.
आमकां लाभलेले उत्कृष्ट असे अंपायर कांयच दुबाव नासलो. पयले सुवातेर हांव मागता रमेश आनुर्लेकर, सर रमेश आनुर्लेकर, आनी हांव मागता राजेश मामल यांच्यांनी ही छोटीशी भेट वस्तू आनी एक मोमेंटो तांकां भेटोवपाचो. रमेश आनुर्लेकर. आमकां लाभलेले आनी एक नामनेचे अंपायर सर सर्वेश परब. हांव मागता पुनाजी मामल यांच्यांनी हो मोमेंटो तशेंच ही भेटवस्तू तांकां भेटोवपाची. ह्या टुर्नामेंटाक गेले 3 दीस उत्कृष्ट अशी हिंदी मराठी कॉमेंट्री करपी आनी उबरतो कॉमेंटेटर शुभम परब हेजे कडेन मागता तेणें माचयेर येवचें आनी हांव मागता राजेशान एक छोटीशी भेट वस्तू आनी हो मोमेंटो ताका भेटोवपाचो. मांद्रेम चॅम्पियन्स ट्रॉफी मुखार येवपाची आसा. म्हाका अवश्य दिसता की तो ह्या टुर्नामेंटाचो एक कॉमेंटेटर जातलो. बऱ्यांतली बरी कॉमेंट्री तुमच्या मुखार तेणें दाखयली.
थँक्यू तुषार. आणि तुमकां सगळ्यांक खबर आसा की आमच्या गोंयांत एक बरो फामाद कॉमेंटेटर जेणे खुबश्या टुर्नामेंटाक बरी कॉमेंट्री सांगली आणि आयज टायम काडून आमच्या टुर्नामेंटाक येयलो तुषार नायक. थँक्यू तुषार. हांव रिक्वेस्ट करता राजेशा कडेन की तेणी हे मोमेंटो तुषाराक दिवपाचो. Thank you, Tushar. And next prize, we are moving to man of the final. बरेचसे कंटेस्टंट असले, बरेच जणांनी बरी बॅटिंग केली, बरी बॉलिंग केली, ही मॅच एकदम एक्सायटेड केली. पण एंड ऑफ द डे ज्यांनी बॅटिंगू बरी केली, लास्ट टाइम बरे क्रुशल हिट मारले आणि एक बरी 2 ओव्हरी बरेचसे घातले. सो मॅन ऑफ द फायनल इज महेश मलिंगा. रिक्वेस्ट करता मच्छिंद्र पेडणेकर हांकां की तेणी ही ट्रॉफी दिवपाची. मलिंगा एक्सायटेड आहा मलिंगा, धांपत वयता मातसो. जाणटे आमी जाणटो तूं न्हू. वेल डन. ओके. थँक यू मॅडी. एंड नेक्स्ट इज बेस्ट बॅट्समॅन ऑफ द फायनल. सो म्हाका दिसना की खुबश्या लोकांच्या मनान हो डावट आसतलो की हू इज द बेस्ट बॅट्समॅन ऑफ द फायनल. अँड द बेस्ट बॅट्समॅन ऑफ द फायनल इज मिस्टर महेश मेडी. रिक्वेस्ट करता मच्छिंद्र पेडणेकर यांनी ती ट्रॉफी दिवपाची म्हणून. Then next, sorry, request कर तुषाराक कॅरी फॉरवर्ड करपाचें म्हणून.
Best bowler of the tournament. Any guesses for that? Best bowler goes to Rudy of Anjuna. He has been performing consistently and that is why his team entered into the last 4. Requesting Machindra Pednekar to do the honors. Rudy of Anjuna. Best bowler only for the finals. And it has been once again Mahesh Sakhalkar. Malinga to please come on the dais. Requesting Samir to do the honors. Next award is the best batsman of the tournament. And last three matches, last three men of the match, none other than King of Rivers, Sanam Sargaonkar, best batsman of the tournament. Once again proving why he is the best batsman, requesting Vijay Kumar Nagvekar to do the honors. Today I watched him running plenty of runs in between. The batsman who scored runs in sixes and boundaries also was taking singles. Congratulations, Sanam. Well played and a deserving trophy to you as well. Semi-losers, first semi-loser, Kajreshwar 2M. Requesting a player from your team to please come on the dais. I request Harish Dillikar to do the honors. Second semi-loser, Anjuna Kaiswa Warriors. Requesting Harish Nillikar to do the honors once again. Well played. Hard luck in the semi-finals. Next individual effort. Award for the big individual effort. Award as it is known as Man of the Series. We had plenty of contenders who performed beautifully with the bat, with the ball. But one player who turned out to be hero from Norway, who has been performing continuously in every tournament for his team, even though their team was on the losing side in the finals, none other than Mahesh Bahirkar, Mary, the man of the series. I request Sai Sopte to do the honors. And Mahesh Bahirkar has been adjudged as the man of the series of the tournament. What an innings it was from Mehdi, even though they had to accommodate themselves on the runners-up. We have Mehdi with us. Mehdi, having a few words with you. Before that, he will be shaking hands with all the guests on the dais. Mehdi, hard luck, but definitely a good trophy to take home in the end. But you would be happy more to take the winners trophy. सगळे बरे आले. आम्ही चितून नासले की इतली क्लोज फायनल जातली. लास्ट ओव्हरीक तुम्ही 22 रन दिले, पण जेन्ना तुम्ही बॅटिंग गेले रन्स पॉसिबल असले, पण म्हाका दिसता पावर प्लेन रन्स कमी जाले. परत एकदा बॅटिंग चॉईस पावर प्ले असली, त्या ओव्हरीक रन येवना. सो कितें दिसता तुका, खंय कितें कमी पडले तुम्ही?
आमचे चड डॉट बॉल चड गेले. आमी मातशे जर गेम चलयलेले, सो डॉट बॉल्स हांव एक वर मेडन्स, बाकीचे पॉवर प्ले तीन वरी पॉवर प्लेन 13 रन्स आयलो आमचो. सो जर तेच जर आमी कन्वर्ट 1-2 केलेले न्हू, तर आमकां चान्सीस ऑफले जिखपाक. सो ओवरऑल ते बोडगेश्वर बरे खेळ.
पूण जेन्ना तुवें रोहन शेट्टीच्या ओव्हरीक 3 बॉलान 3 सिक्सरी मारल्यो, सगळे अशें म्हणटाले की आरवी कोरगांव ही मॅच जिखता म्हणून, आनी फायनल ओव्हरीक परत तुवें इतली क्लोज हाडली मॅच, आनी शेवटी निमाण्या बॉलाक तुमकां 6 रन जाय पडले.
लास्ट बाय क्रिकेट एक बॉल रन्स ती फूल गेम्स लागली प्रेशर गुणोवपाची जाता.
Thank you, Mehdi, for entertaining the crowd. Hard luck and all the best for your next tournament. Now I would like to call upon the captain of RV Korgaon along with his team to please come and receive the runners-up trophy along with the cash prize, requesting all the dignitaries present on the dais to jointly present this runners-up trophy to the team of RV Korgaon with the medals Firstly, the players will be receiving the medallions. Requesting every dignitary on the dais to present one medallion each to every player. Sayog Kamulkar, Anush Kerkar, Nikhil Gadekar, Aniket Desai, Durgesh Bhaidkar, Anuresh Kamlesh, Digraj Vipul, Sanam Bhandarkar, Prasad, and not to forget the captain Mahesh Bhaidkar. What an effort it was by Mahesh Bhaidkar Mehdi, bringing them almost towards the victory from the jaws of defeat. But hats off to the final delivery bowled by Akshay. A calm and composed delivery to finish off the innings in the favor of Shri Bodgeshwar. Now the captain will be receiving the trophy as well as the cash prize for the runners-up. Requesting all the dignitaries to jointly present this trophy to the runners-up team. RV Korgaon, put your hands together for the runners-up because the match was very close in the end. And I would like to thank all the spectators for joining in such large numbers to witness an absolutely blockbuster final here by Rapos, organizing the Rapos Trophy 2021. And the time has finally come up for the consistent performers in Goa Panchayat Municipality. Shri Bodgeshwar has been consistently winning the winners trophy. It started from McLaren's Muli Chashak, followed by Betim United last Sunday, and this Sunday at Manrem, the Rapos Trophy 2021. You can see Sunny Nanorkar. They will be receiving the medallion. What a catch it was, like John T. Rhodes diving forward. Sunny Nanorkar, Shaba, Rohan Shetty, Sada Sakhalkar, Mahesh Sakhalkar, Akshay Naik, Kaushal, Supresh, King of Rivers, Sanam Sargaokar, Gaurish, and Pravesh. And not to forget Sahadev Kandolkar. And you can see the entire team. Put your hands together for the winners of this Rapos Trophy 2021, Shri Bodgeshwar. And Mahesh is making it as a habit of holding his hand on the winner's trophy. Yet another winner's trophy in their kitty. And today you might see them post with the winner's trophy at Shri Bodgeshwar Temple as they will be going home with the winner's trophy. And today the day belongs to Shri Bodgeshwar as well, being a Sunday. Seems like half of the Bodgeshwar supporters have travelled to Manrem to take home the winner's trophy. 11 players in the team and almost 22 supporting staff They have come with truckload of supporters here. Yes, how can they forget the legendary cricketer Sanju Nagvekar? He has to be the part of that trophy as well. Congratulations once again to Shri Bodgeshwar for winning this Rappos Trophy 2021. Wonderful performance and hope to see you for the next edition as well. Bahu. And a cash prize for Sunny Nanodkar for his wonderful catch. Receiving the best catch award, Sunny Nanodkar. Congratulations. So that's all that we had from the Rappos Trophy 2021. But don't forget to once again come to Mandaram because there will be Festival of Cricket for the Mandaram Champions Trophy beginning on 21st of April 2021 and will be lasting till the 25th of April 2021. A huge, high, humongous trophy and a mammoth cash prize tournament organized by Mandaram Boys, the Mandaram Champions Trophy 2021. That's all we had from this prize distribution ceremony. Until then, stay home, stay safe, stay healthy.